Hey guys, Touchdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make homemade gravy pasta noodle. So super easy and delicious recipe, and hope you guys will like this recipe. And these are ingredients we need in this recipe, and let's get started how to make. Next, sauce ingredients are very simple. We need 2 teaspoons cooking wine, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and 3 teaspoons tomato ketchup. After that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon miso paste. After that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoon water, 2 teaspoon corn flour. Now mix all the ingredients very well. After that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon chili powder and one more time. And here I already heat my oil. Now I'm going to add my garlic. Fry for a few minutes. After that, next I'm going to add meat and carrot. Meat I already boiled, so meat is not necessary. If you are vegetarian, you can definitely skip the meat. You can use lots of vegetable, so as you like. Now I'm going to cover and leave it for a few minutes. Now it's time to add tofu and cucumber. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to add sauce and just boil for a few minutes. After that, sauce is ready. So I like to keep little crunchy my vegetables, so I don't want to cook over. Now my gravy sauce is ready. So now next we going to boil for noodles. So it will take 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the water. Now it's time to serve the noodles. So top on the noodle, I'm going to add my gravy sauce. After that, it's ready. Your homemade gravy pasta noodle is ready. So guys, if you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care everyone.